behind you. It's behind you. Oh,
Look at that one, Yossi. Oh my gosh. They're massive. Massive bubbles. Wow, look at these massive bubbles, Baba. Catch them. Catch them. Okay. Catch them. Come back. Come back to Zani, quick. There's the big one. Yossi. Wait till he comes back, daughter. She's tiring him out. She said so he can go to bed early.
You never tire my son out. When Louis wants him to go to sleep and he knows he's tired, he don't want to lie down on the couch.
Yeah.
He don't want to lie down on the couch.
Yeah.
He don't want to go to sleep.
And he's fighting it, eh?
Yeah.
He's fighting because Yossi does not want to miss out on anything. Good boy, Baba.
When Louis goes, lie down, he goes, no, I don't want to lie down. Because he knows as soon as he lies down, he's gone.
He's out.
Oh, look at these bubbles. Yossi's catching them. Catch the bubbles, Yossi. Catch the bubbles, Yossi. Now.